Now let's jump to the upgrade thing. I'm gonna upgrade into 32 GB RAM and 1 TB HHD internal. It comes with the 512 GB SD, but it doesn't come with the SSD, so I'm gonna install another SSD, and it's come with the 8 GB RAM, so I'm gonna upgrade it into 32 GB RAM. It's gonna last. Perfect gaming laptop. Open, and there you go. Ventilations, SSD ports, first SSD. Just put it up, and the thing with comes with the at the starting, the metal piece, it's gonna fix here, I'm guessing, so for support of this HHD. So here we go, and the metal piece comes with the box, is gonna fix here. And now the RAM part, I'm gonna fix it later, but the metal part comes at the in the box, it's gonna fix here for support HHD.
Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. What does it matter, man?
And there we go. 1 8 GB RAM card. I'm gonna upgrade into 260 GB RAM, so total 32 GB RAM. I'm gonna click down. Easy squeezy lemon squeezy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? And we're down here. Let's just put back that thing, and we're ready to roll. Ta-da!
We'd like to think we have some form of control still, making our constant binary choices and voicing our equally shallow opinions more loudly or quietly. Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. What does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion.
Okay, so 32 GB RAM, working perfectly. Power level 22.3, 266 MHz.
Autonomy is an illusion.
1%. Okay. How many tabs you can open in the Chrome? And 1 TB space here, which is not showing well because we have to format it by going into disk security or disk management. Okay, we have to go into disk cleanup, disk management, and there is new sample volume. Next. If you want to create multiple, then you can, but I want to, so I'm just formatting. And there we go. Successfully. Mission successful. Now close everything straight up. The hard disk will work perfectly, and you can put whatever shit you want to put in. you know what I'm saying? So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.